And then you pour your ogbono in the pot and enjoy. Oh, hey. Thank you, Jesus. Hello, beautiful and amazing pathfinders. Welcome back again to another helpful video. It's Frida here again. Thank you so much for clicking. If this is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Frida. Thank you so much for clicking, and please do so well to hit on the subscribe button and join this amazing family. Yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can blend your ogbono, all right, effortlessly without spoiling your blender.
Caution: if you're going to be using this method to blend your ogbono, it might not be too slimy, but whether it draw, it not draw. Now the same vitamin, now it still get. Now the same belly, now all they go. So why we go suffer ourselves? Begin to talk, say if you not draw like say you draw chewing gum, you not go chop. And
the first thing you are going to be doing, which I have done off camera already, just try and pick your ogbono seed and separate it from the dates, okay? Then after that, you just get a cup of warm water and a toothbrush, a new one, okay? Just like this, you try to clean up your ogbono seed. So when you are done with this, the next thing we are going to be doing right now is to get a bowl of warm water, okay? Then pour your ogbono seed right into the bowl. And now we are going to be rinsing it, just as you can see. So you can see it's not hot water but warm water, because if it was hot I wouldn't be able to put my hands inside. All right. All right, so you can see how clean our ogbono seed is looking already. Yeah, I hope you can see the water. Look at the water, it's so cloudy, brownish, it's dirty. So I'm going to be sieving it right now, okay? So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to use another warm water to rinse it, okay? I've got some cold water and I'm going to be pouring a boiling water into it. Right now I'm pouring the ogbono seed right into this warm water. And next, I'm going to be covering it up with a foil paper. Just cover it all with a foil paper. After covering it up with a foil paper, the next thing you are going to do is to keep it somewhere to soak for 30 minutes. For some of you that would prefer the dried method, don't worry, I do have a video on how to blend ogbono without a blender. And I'm going to be leaving the link in the description area and as well as the comment section, so you can click on it and watch. Sieving the ogbono into the liquid blender. As you can see, the water that is left in the bowl, you can actually use it to boil your meat, or you can throw it away. But be very rest assured that the water is clean, because you have already cleaned your ogbono before soaking. So I'm going to be pouring water into the blender. Please do not mistakenly use the water you use to soak your ogbono to do the blending, okay? Because it has to be cold enough so you won't spoil your blender. It's very important you take note of that. I don't want you to spoil your blender, so do not use the hot water except if it is cold enough. All right, and right now I'm going to be blending. Because of the thick consistency, I'm going to be adding more water to it. All right. As you can see, our ogbono is smoothly blended. Did you see that? Please try not to put too much ogbono in your blender, all right, so you won't overwork your blender. All right, you can just maybe part it into 3, blend smoothly, then you add the other one, you blend again, and that's it. All right, enjoy and cook your ogbono. Bye. I'll see you all in my next one, and don't forget, please to share with your friends and family. God bless you. Bye-bye.